Have you ever been too busy to make your bullet journal or planner pages, making it too hard to keep your spreads up to date? This happened to me all the time. That's the reason why I made this planner kit. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine Wei. Today I'm going to introduce this free floral planner kit that I made for you. Let's get started. I spent a whole week designing the 13 pages of this floral planner kit, which includes pages for a monthly cover, a calendar, a spread for monthly and weekly goals, 2 weekly spreads, a daily planner, a mood tracker, a note spread, and a blank note page. It also includes 2-page headers. There are 3 ways to use this kit. First, you can print out the original letter size like these, then punch holes into the papers and put them into a binder. Another way to use this kit is to set the printing size to A5 in the printer. Cut the pages to fit your planner and glue them into your notebook or journal. The last way is to download this PDF file directly into your digital planner to use. I designed 2 different weekly spreads. One is a 1-page weekly spread, and the other is a 2-page weekly spread to fit your personal needs. I used my own floral line drawings for all of these pages. I hope you will like it. I also included monthly and weekly headers and some types of tracker headers, so you can use them on your own blank pages. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use this A5 size printed paper to glue into my planner and some different ways to decorate the pages. First, I cut the pages to fit my planner size. I bought this notebook a while ago. The cover design is pretty, but I don't really like these pages inside because the dots are too big. So I thought that it would be a good idea to glue my own planner pages onto this notebook to put it to good use. I think these floral printables fit into this planner very beautifully. Now, whenever I need a page, I can just print one that fits my needs. This floral planner kit is free for you to use. I will put the link in the description below. Now I'm showing you some ways you can decorate these pages. For cover page, I printed the headers into sticker paper, then cut out the headers July and 2020. Then I put them to the position I like. Then I use colored pencils to color the flowers and the leaves. I really like how this cover page turned out. Next is the monthly calendar. First, I color the flowers and the leaves using colored pencils. Then write July 2020 and the dates of the month. Next is the monthly goals page, same as the calendar. I use color pencil to color it. I really like color lily flowers because the shape and the curved lines of the flowers are so elegant. So when I color them, it is easy to shade the flowers and emphasize the beautiful shape of them. Now it's the mood tracker. I'm coloring the flowers and the leaves first. Then make the color code to indicate the different mood, and write the moods like a happy, delighted, neutral, and stressed. So every day depends on the mood to color the boxes. For the gratitude page, I cut out the words that are included in these free printables, then glued it onto this blank page. I also draw some color dots so I can write the dates on them for future use. On the note page, I'm using two very light colors to draw some swirly lines to make the background of this page. Next, I'm using watercolors to paint the florals. Since this is a very thin printed paper, I suggest using very light wash watercolor techniques to color it. Don't forget to download this free 13-page floral planner printable kit. The link is in the description. In this channel, I will do easy drawing tutorials so you can get some inspiration for your planners. I also do bullet journaling and digital planning, so if you are interested in these topics, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss my next video. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and leave me a comment to let me know what kind of planner spreads you like to use the most. If you want more doodle and bullet journal inspiration ideas, please check out my Pinterest and Instagram. The links are in the description below. I hope you will enjoy these free printables, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Elaine Wei Design. I would love to see how you use my printables in your planners. Next, I'm painting my 2-page weekly spread. This time, I'm using wet-on-wet watercolor techniques on these flowers and leaves. I really like how saturated these colors are. Then I'm coloring some blocks to write the dates of the week, finishing the rest 2 sets of the flowers. Then I cut out week 4 includes in this kit. Then write the dates and the month to finish the pages. Next is the 1-page weekly spread. On the right side, I designed the different sections like priorities, to-do list, and the notes for different uses. Finally, it's the daily planner. I'm painting some light background colors under the headers to make the words pop out. Then write the dates and the months to complete the page. This is the final flip through for these finished planner spreads. I really like how these pages turn out. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful summer. I will see you in my next video.